Hello and welcome to your Facebook Live from Bright MLS. My name is Mariah Jacobs. I am your Bright MLS Customer Success Coach. Now, today we're going to discuss how to make adjustments to your client's auto email alerts. Maybe your client's search criteria has changed. Maybe you want to actually monitor their auto alerts by maybe changing it to concierge. I'm here to help you do that. To make any adjustments to your auto email alerts, you will visit the Clients menu. You will then select either Auto Email Classic or New. You'll then identify what auto alert you would like to make adjustments to. So let's say New Home here. Next Home here. You select the subject heading of the auto alert. You will then select Settings. Selecting settings allows you to make adjustments to how often the alerts are being received, or if you would like to transition that auto alert to the concierge mode. If you're not familiar with concierge allows you to receive the listings that match your client's criteria, where you'll either approve or deny the listings. So like Lucy Lou here. As you see here, she's receiving her auto alerts on Sundays and Saturday mornings. Maybe Lucy Lou says, you know what? I would actually like to receive these alerts every day in the morning. You would then, of course, make those changes and then select Save. Now, if your client says, hey, you know what? I actually need at least a minimum of 1,500 square feet in my home, you can adjust the criteria to that auto alert by clicking the criteria option. And then, of course, you are now on your search alert criteria here, where you'll scroll down and locate and edit any of those settings. So as you see here, interior above gray finish square footage, I'm going to add in 1,500 plus. Now that I've made that adjustment to that search, I'm just going to go ahead and select the Save option. And then, of course, be sure that we've made any changes here and click Save. So we've just learned how to adjust the settings and the criteria for your auto email alerts for your clients. I hope this is helpful to your business, and thanks for watching.